there. So that's a microwave tower, and so it has a LED beacon. So it's flashing white. There it is, up there. So it has it's a LED light. So I'm not sure if it flashes white and red or if it just flashes white. I've never seen it at night before. Although it does have side lights, so it is an indication it could be flashing red at night. Although I've seen some towers shine white and have side lights too. So the tower has a lot of microwave dishes on it. Yep.